The principle of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, can only be transferred from one form to another. The total amount of energy in a closed system remains constant, although how much of each form there is may change. Energy types can be separated into either transfers or stores. Energy stores keep or store energy within one part of the system. For kinetic energy, the amount of energy in a kinetic energy store depends on the speed of the object. So if something has a high kinetic energy store, then it'll move more quickly than something with a low kinetic energy store. For gravitational potential energy, the amount of energy stored in an object depends on its height. So the higher an object, the more gravitational potential energy it has. Energy transfers give or transfer energy to different parts of a system. In mechanical systems, when energy is transferred between stores, it is equivalent to the work done. A falling object transforms its gravitational potential energy into kinetic energy. For example, say a person was bouncing on a trampoline. Well, while they're on the trampoline, their elastic potential energy is converted into kinetic energy, and as they go up from the trampoline, kinetic energy is converted to gravitational potential energy.